Make a lasting first impression. Mastering the opening lines in email writing. Hello, language enthusiasts. In today's lesson, we're diving into an essential aspect of email writing, the opening lines. Not only are these the first words your reader will see, but they also set the tone for the entire conversation. Let's learn how to get them right. Setting the tone in your email's opening lines is crucial. This initial impression can shape how the recipient interprets the rest of your message, whether they perceive you as professional, friendly, urgent, or relaxed. Always consider your relationship with the recipient and the purpose of your email when crafting your opening lines. Let's explore some examples. 1. Professional, formal tone. For professional emails, especially with someone you don't know well, start formally. Use a polite salutation like, "Dear Mr. per megasecond, Dr. last name," followed by a courteous opening such as, "I hope this email finds you well." 2. Friendly, informal tone. If the email is to a colleague or a friend, you can adopt a more informal tone. Start with a friendly greeting like, "Hi, first name," followed by a relaxed opening like, "I hope you're having a great day." 3. Urgent tone. For urgent matters, be direct yet respectful. Start with, "Dear," first name, last name, and move swiftly into the issue. "I'm writing to you about an urgent matter." Remember, the key is to adapt your tone based on your recipient and your message's purpose. Formal tones suit serious matters and professional contexts, while informal tones are appropriate for friendly, less critical situations. Urgency should be conveyed sparingly, and only when necessary, to avoid creating unnecessary alarm. So there you have it. Mastering the opening lines of your email by setting the right tone can influence the effectiveness of your communication significantly. With some practice, you'll nail the perfect tone every time. Keep practicing and happy writing. See you in the next video where we'll dive deeper into email writing. Until then, keep learning and improving.